Yo, guys, what's up? I hate this camera. The resolution is so horrible. I don't even know if I'm getting a clear picture of myself. Um, yeah, so they said pop-up storms coming around 10 or 10:30, but the pop-up storms came early. It's not even 10 o'clock yet. It's like a few minutes before 10 o'clock, like maybe quarter two, as a matter of fact. And so here's the next pop-up storm. Check this out. I can't use my phone camera because it's charging. So I'm just going to put my computer right over here and turn my lights off. And we're going to watch the storm, right? As always, if you like the video, click the like button. Give it lots of likes so it can boost the algorithm in the YouTube. And if you want to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button and the bell for the notifications. The storm is happening like right over our heads. Okay, so I hope you can hear the nice rain, and I'm just going to turn the light off and try to keep as quiet as I can while you enjoy this experience of the storm. Let me put this up so I can get the sky a little bit better. I hope you're seeing that. This is such a poor resolution, and I'm so sorry for that. All right, so now it looked like it slowed down with the rain, and we're still getting lots of thunder though, and lightning. Let me point out too that, oh, that's a nice one. Let me point out too that these fools here lighting illegal fireworks are still out in the rain right now. I don't know if you guys can hear, if you heard a popping noise as opposed to a thunder noise, but like you know, like a rolling booming noise, that's thunder. A popping noise is fireworks, and that's illegal fireworks. Around here, you cannot light fireworks because there are too many things around to catch on fire, because of the sparks, and too many things, you know, that could hurt people. There's too many people around within a close proximity. So you cannot buy fireworks in New York City. You cannot buy or sell them, and you cannot use them in a public or residential area like this. But people do it all the time, every year. And every year, hundreds and hundreds of people, and children especially, get hurt. And sometimes people use them as assault weapons, which is not good at all. The police, I don't think they can do enough to stop this. They've put together a sting operation, and they say they caught some groups distributing fireworks, and so they caught some last year. Last year was a huge problem with the beginning of the pandemic, and they say they caught some already this year. I still see them though, so they still have a lot of work to do. And I really, oh, lightning strike down there. I really and truly believe that the manufacturers in other states, or rather the distributors in other states, such as Walmart, Target, wherever you can go to buy them, where they're legally sold, they should check the IDs of other people. And if they see a New York State ID and IDs for other states that where it's illegal, they should not sell it to the person. I don't even think they check the person's ID. It's really crazy. They buy them, they go to Pennsylvania and they buy them. And then they bring them here. And they either sell them or use them. It's crazy. And these people, like, we just had a storm, all right? Everybody had to run for cover for the storm. The big one that we had about an hour ago. Everybody had to run for cover for that. It was all windy and foggy and you couldn't see. So these idiots, they probably just ran for cover and then came right out again and lit another firework as soon as it was done. I mean, that's ambition too. And it's just idiot, stupidity. If they sound like they're close in my neighborhood. As a matter of fact, they sound like they're coming from the top of my building. I have yet to see them. I've been too busy to be able to go outside when they're doing it, so I can find them and see them. One time I was outside when it was happening and I could hear it clearly, but I couldn't find where it was happening. So it wasn't happening over my building and it wasn't happening in my neighborhood, but it was happening somewhere nearby. I just couldn't see it though for some reason. I don't know why. I could hear it pretty clearly, but I couldn't see it. I could even hear it in the direction that it was coming from, but I couldn't see them at all, which was very strange. I haven't had time to really run outside when that's, oh, that was a good one over the hospital. I haven't really had time to, run out and find where they're coming from. But one day, yeah, when I don't have so many things to do, I'm not as busy as I am, one day I will catch them, and I will report them when I find them. They seem to be happening in different places this year. Once they were happening nearby Jacoby Hospital, and that was a site where it was happening quite often, and also in front of one of the other residential houses. And now I don't see it happening. So maybe the police caught up to the people that were doing it, and they don't do it there in that location anymore, or in those locations. So, yeah. I just hope we put an end to illegal fireworks It's only in New York that I see it happening, and these people are crazy. They get up on the roofs and do it also, right in front of cars and all. Anything that can catch on fire and cause a huge danger to other people. Yeah. So, all right, continue to enjoy the storm and the lightning and the thunder. I wish I could go outside actually because it feels pretty cool. Um, the temperature is like in the low 90s, but it's breezy, so I don't even feel the heat anymore because of the wind. I wish I could just go outside and enjoy it, but I can't because I gotta cook my dinner and try to get to bed at a decent hour because I'm up early tomorrow. I gotta go back to Flushing. Yeah, that's how it is. Okay. Oh, it's still raining. That's good. Let's see. Let me turn the lights off here. You know, I love to go out. Oh, good. Lots and lots of thunder. All right, good. I'm going to keep filming. I love storms like this. I really do. How's my battery doing? Oh, good. All right. Oh, nice. Still thunder. I'm chewing on celery. Sorry for the annoying noise. You know, I really should stop apologizing, by the way. I like celery. No, and I like the noise it makes too. So, I should I give it a 5 more minutes? Uh, Let me put you on pause for a little while because I think the storm is pretty much over, but I wanted to show you something else. So I'm going to pause you for a little while, and then I'm going to come back. All right, back from being unpaused. Yeah, and I think the storm is finished. So, damn, these fools here lighting fireworks, I swear. I just hear pop, pop, pop. It's illegal. Don't do it. And it's stupid because it gets people hurt. God, it's annoying. I'm so glad I actually live in an area which is relatively quiet. And they don't do it right here in my immediate location like they did last year. But I have lived in urban areas where they do that. They climb up on the building, the top of the roof, the top of the buildings. They climb up on the roof and they just light them like it's nothing. They actually jump from building to building like it's nothing. And it's just like, come on, guys. Find something better to do with your life rather than to blow things up like that. If you want to blow things up, join the army. Learn how to do pyrotechnics, you know. Get a trade where you have to blow something up like that. You know, do something a little bit more productive with your life. You spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on these things just to blow something up, and then it's gone. You know, you light the fireworks, you can't make them create it again. You can't make it happen again. Once it's lit and it's blown up, it's done, and you have to buy another one. All right. So that's just my rant. And I want to show you the tuna that I made today. This is how it came out. I did overcook it a little bit. Here we go. I think it's fine. Yeah, it did shrink a little bit. I think it's fine though. Let me just get something to show you. But I didn't have to cook it for as long as I did. Oh, actually, no, it's not too bad. Actually, it looks pretty good. It's still hot, which is good too. Yeah, so it didn't shrink that much, like I said. Maybe it did shrink a little bit, but not a lot. That's really good. So let me taste it. See, it's simmering in its own juice, and like I filled it up with water. That's why it's buried deep in its own sauce now. And this is what one small, tiny, I'm getting it on the computer. This is what one small, tiny piece of it looks. Let me put a towel down here so I don't mess up my laptop. See, that's how it looks. Let me see how it tastes. Let's get a shot of me telling you how it is. Let me see how it is. It's not bad. It's a little chewy, but that's because I did overcook it a little bit. So being that it didn't shrink, I would say I overcooked it by maybe about 10 or 15 minutes or so. I did leave it in the oven for a little while longer to let it cool down amongst a little bit of heat. But it's really not so bad. In fact, it's full of flavor. It tastes very rich. It just could be a little bit softer. I would like one day to get it to the the texture where it's just cooked, but it's so soft that it kind of melts when you cook it. And I think the key to that is not cooking it for so long. Maybe once it's partially thawed, cook it for about 40 minutes or so on 350, which is the bake setting in my oven. And I think that's going to do the job. Let me just try the other piece here, the one that was sticking out. There's a part here that was sticking out. Okay, let me show it to you in just a second. Here we go. It's nice and dripping. And it's all shiny like this because of the oil too, mixed in with the sauce that I made. And the sauce is, like I said, the oil and the fish and the herbs. All right, that's what it looks like. It's hot. And you see this part is darkened a little bit because it was up above the water. Let me take a piece of this like this. That's pretty good. It's still a little chewy, but again, that's because I overcooked it by about 10 minutes or so. Next time I'm not going to cook it for so long. It was partially thawed, like I said, and I can taste the herbs also. So, I'm happy. And now I'm going to let you go and enjoy the rest of my dinner. Once again, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button to see more videos, or to have more videos recommended to you, and click the notification bell so that every time I upload a video, it's going to come directly to you. And if you like it, like the button. Also, you could share the videos too. Share the videos with your friends. Tell them all about it. Everything that I'm trying to do here with this channel is to present to you life in New York from the perspective of a very busy single woman like me, who's been living in New York for a while now. Gosh, since 1999, been living here. That's a long time. It's over 20 years. So that's what I'm trying to do. I hope you will support that. Continue to support the channel. Get your friends involved. Get your friends to support the channel. And together we will grow. All right? Thank you so much again for your support. I'm going to put some videos up here. Click on any one of them. They are selected, especially for you. So you see them? Here they are. They should be showing up right there. Right? If not, magic. 1, 2, 3, poof. Nah, they should be there already, right? So they've been selected especially for you. And I do hope you enjoy watching them if you so choose. Thanks again. Bye. See you in the next one.